Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G22, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications and extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle. For me it is right over here. Now once you see it, you can simply tap on it and it will give us a couple options. So record audio, we have device, microphone, or obviously if it's off then nothing, and also show touches on the screen, which will imitate your finger pressing the display on the recording. I will enable it just so you can see how that looks like. From here we can select start. It will begin a countdown, and once it reaches 0, it gives you a notification that it's now recording. So whatever you'll do right now, whatever app you'll open, obviously will be recorded. And once you're done, pull down your notifications and select stop right here. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And you can see it right up here. So you can see this dot on the screen. It should be somewhere here now. Yep, there we go. So that's basically where my finger was pressing the display. Now, anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.